Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. I'm going to show you how I made this little bee freehand. I used one of my templates from the Let's Get Wired episode 10 live stream. I actually didn't do this one on the live stream, I did it after the fact, but I am going to show you how to do it today. I will also link up the replay of the live stream so you could see how to make some other cool bees. This is the 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass wire from Artistic Wire. We're going to just take it and bend it at about the halfway point. So we're just going to give it a good little bend, sharp bend, and pinch it. Just give it a little pinch so that's closed. Then I'll use my large round nose pliers or my looping pliers, and I'm just going to take the end and just bend one to one side and one to the other. And this is where you can follow the template for the shape, or you can do it on your own. I just take my round pliers to push these out, and then just with my finger push it around. You can always grab the template and trace it around to be sure. I'll link up the templates in the description, so just bring it around how you like. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to form the body part. Because I'm going to wind separate wire on for the legs, I don't want these wires to be crisscrossed, so I'm just going to take this, bring it out, and then take this one and bring it out, and then you can see if these shapes are more or less symmetrical. They don't have to be perfect, so just keep playing around with them. We just want it to look like that. And then we're going to form the middle part of the body. So take your round pliers again, bring this up, and bring this up. Looks a bit like an hourglass. And then we want to form the wings. So we're going to take this one about here and bend it up. And then this one too. We're going to take this one and bend it up. And here you can actually measure on the template if you want. So we're going to just bring this one over here, bring this up and around. And then I'm just going to bring this one down and across. And then you can either use that one or this, just use the same one on that side, just flip it. And then it's exactly the same. So we're just going to bring that one up and then bend it here and bring that one down. Bring it also down to the back and then bring it around here. And then I'm actually going to trace it underneath this wing. So I'm going to take this, bring this one around, make sure it's like right underneath here. Bring that down here. We're going to do the same on this side. Just make sure these are lined up. Twist it a little bit if you have to. Bring this one down, and you can follow the template again if you like. So just down, up. This side too, we're just going to bend it down. And that way. Don't worry if they're not exactly the same. This one and then up. So this is what we have so far, and now we want to form the head. So we're just going to take this, bring it over here and then up, and the same on this side. See how it goes over and up, and then this side too, we're just going to put it right underneath that loop there and go over and up. I'm going to compare it so it looks more or less the same. And this one I wanted to do the eyes, so we're going to make them kind of stylized. Just up a little bit from there, we're just going to take the round nose pliers, bend this down. Don't make it perfectly round. The eyes are a little bit more oval. We're just going to take this one up. So there's one eye, and then we're going to do the same on this side. So we're going to start it about in the same place. You can always like bring it over to compare it. So bring it down and then up. So that's what we have so far. And then this one we're just going to bring over a bit at the top level of the eye and then up. So that one goes straight up. And then this one, we can just bend it over a bit. And then we want to overlap these so this is centered. And we're just going to twist this around a couple of times. So just twist it once, hold it tight, and then just twist it around again so it's really tight. You can give it a little pinch with your flat pliers to hold it in place. Take your fingernail or your pliers, push this straight up so we have it looking like that, and then we can spread these apart. Now these ones I didn't do a loop in the antenna, I kept it simple so we can just curve the edges and then we can just clip these, and you can file them if you like. This is what we have so far. The other one I'd made the wings a little bit larger. I'll make a template of this one as well. For the legs, we're going to get a 5-inch piece of 20 gauge wire and just hold it against the abdomen there and just take it and pull it very tightly. Give it a good tug and bring that one across. And then we're going to get another one, hold it in here, give it a little pinch with the flat pliers to get it right in there, bring this one around and bring it in between these two wires. So just bring it right in between, pull it really, really tightly if you have to pinch it with your pliers, and you'll see it might still be wiggly, so we're going to bring it around again a third time. So bring it around here underneath that leg and then just give it a good little tug and straight across. So now we can pinch it again to be sure, and then this one just bend it a bit at an angle, that one too, this one too, just a bit of an angle, and like that. And then we're going to form the legs. So just take this one, bend it down and across, and this one too, just down and across. And then we're going to do the same on this side. You can go down and across. You can measure with a ruler if you want to, and then down and across. Adjust them as you need. And here you can cut these to about 1/4 inch. So just go ahead with your cutters. And there. And there. And now we'll form the upper legs. And now we'll take a 4-inch piece to do the upper legs. You can start the bend with your round pliers, just around like that. And then you want to stick it through these intersections. So just stick the wires in there, through those 2 intersections, just straight down there. Crisscross them at the back. Give this one a good little tug. And then we're going to bring this one up through that intersection again. So just bring it through here, get your flat pliers, bring it straight up, give it a good tug, and then back down again. Back down through that intersection, take the end and pull it. So now we have the wire going through 2 times there. You can go ahead and pinch it in a little bit. At the back, have one go to one side and one go to the other, and then just give it a little pinch so it won't wiggle around. And then this one's going to go straight up, and this one, use your fingernail if you have to, it'll go straight up. This is the back, flip it around, and then you can just measure where you want to bend it, just around the eye, up. And this one too, bend it in the same place, up, and then we can give these a little clip. There and there. You can see the 2 bugs are a little bit different. These ones, the antenna were a little bigger, a little higher, legs were a little shorter, wings a little wider. There's going to be variety in the bugs. You can follow the templates if you want, or make your own shapes. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.